Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your profile on Fluxer. Now, customizing your profile on Fluxer lets you change things like your profile picture, display name, bio, and other personal details. This helps other people recognize you easily and gives your profile its own unique style. Now to get started, you want to open Fluxer and click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the bottom corner of the app. This one. From here, you want to choose Edit Profile. Now, this is where you can start editing your personal information. You can upload a new picture by selecting an image from your device. Many users choose an avatar, logo, or personal photo depending on how they want to present themselves. You can also change your display name right over here. This is the name other people will see in chats and communities. So some users also add a short bio or status message to describe themselves or share something about their interests. Now, depending on the features available, you may also be able to customize your profile username right over here, banner right over here, or other visual elements, which helps make your profile look more unique when people view it. Now, once you've made your changes, simply click Save Changes at the top right over here, and your updated profile will appear across all the communities and chats you're part of. And that's it. Now you know how to customize your profile on Fluxer. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.